Lots of fun demo. We're gonna demo the boat. Fun, fun. All right, so table's gonna go out. Basically everything's gonna come out. I'm gonna replace this bathroom. There's a few bulkheads over here that are gonna be replaced with wood. There's gonna be a wood base underneath this, so all of the pillows, everything's gotta go out. And then the cushions will go out, that'll be sanded. The roof might be later. I don't know if I'm gonna get to that today because I gotta take all the stuff off of it, so we'll see. That's the bulk of that. This bathroom and these bulkheads have to come down now too. Woohoo! We're gonna put a fan in here, it's getting hot. We're probably not keeping this toilet. Always hit your head on a boat. It's like the fourth time I've hit my head on that boat. All right, screws and bolts. These little 2 batteries, these are awesome, lightweight. I like them. Looks like a few of these are 9/16 at least. We'll see if I can reach on both sides. This one's going to test my reach. Woo! Getting close to a bathroom. Woo! So that's kind of interesting. The battery is held on by these bolts that also hold the toilet. They strapped on the toilet on the other side with the same bolt on the other side that the battery is used to be strapped on with, which is just, I guess, either ingenious or scary. We're gonna change that. Also, these are not the same size bolt as everything else in the ship. So I think it was after, or at least everything else on the inside here. These look like different size nuts as well. So don't know, but 9/16 for the big ones at least. We'll see what we can do with the smaller one. Yeah, we're gonna have to take that off. And I don't know if I have something small enough. These are metric. That's an 11. I don't remember where I set down that wrench. Good thing I have video. I'm gonna pause that and look back. It's in the bolt! It's on the bolt! Why are they not the same size? All done with this part. Hey, this ceiling is a mess. I'm probably not going to show a lot of it because it's painful. But I'm going to pull it off, and then I'm going to scrape it, and then sand it. And yeah, this is going to suck.